How to change the email sending limit in DirectAdmin. You can increase your email sending limit. However, you cannot increase it beyond the limit set by your server administrator. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this email account's icon. This is the interface where you can create and manage your email accounts. Here it displays the list of email accounts. Click the plus sign for the corresponding email account whose limit you want to change. Then click the Change Limits option. Now enter the desired quantity in Send Limit input box and click the Save button. Success! The email sending limit has been changed. Now you know how to change the email sending limit. Thank you for watching.